Beats by Dallas, make it hurt.
Welcome to the Maestro Sersea podcast, where English learners worldwide learn American English. Hi, I'm Maestro Sersea, and I'm happy to share this podcast with you. I have been teaching English to English learners in Southern California, United States of America, for over 30 years. I have published a variety of educational books for English learners on Amazon. I offer Zoom webinars, conversation practice, online courses, and online English learning resources. With your investment of time, positivity, hard work, and determination, you too can become more fluent in American English. This podcast will help you improve your American English comprehension and communication skills. Welcome aboard. Welcome to episode 16 of the Learn American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. Our 16th podcast episode focuses on improving American English vocabulary and reading skills. Today, we will share VOA word book vocabulary adapted into online lessons by Maestro Sersea. Today, we're sharing Lesson 1, which features dozens of key vocabulary words for English learners from the VOA Word Book. The VOA Word Book is an invaluable resource for English language learners. It provides a comprehensive list of the most commonly used English words and phrases. By studying the words and phrases in this book, learners can expand their English vocabulary and become more proficient speakers. Today's vocabulary lesson is compliments of our American English vocabulary website at www.americanenglishvocabulary.com. Are you ready to begin? Okay, let's get started.
English learners, do you need to improve your American English vocabulary? We have a great educational website for you, www.americanenglishvocabulary.com. Our website features thousands of American English sight words and general vocabulary, complete with quizzes and audio and video recordings to help you improve your pronunciation and comprehension. Please visit www.americanenglishvocabulary.com.
VOA Vocabulary Lesson 1. A and 1 any each. Able, having the power to do something. About, almost, about half, of or having a relation to, we talk about the weather. Above, at a higher place. Except, to agree to receive. Accident, something that happens by chance or mistake, an unplanned event. Accuse, to say a person is responsible for an act or crime, to make a statement against someone. Across, from side to side, to the other side. Act, to do something. Activist, one who seeks change through action. Actor, someone acting in a play or show. Add, to put, something, with another to make it larger, to say more. Administration, the executive part of a government, usually headed by a president or prime minister. Admit, to accept, admitted to the United Nations, to express one's guilt or responsibility. He admitted that what he did was wrong. Adult, a grown person. Advise, to help with information, knowledge, or ideas in making a decision. Affect, to produce an effect on, to influence. A lack of sleep affected the singer's performance. Afraid, feeling fear. After, later, behind. Again, another time, as before. Against, opposed to, not agreeing with something. Age, how old a person or thing is. Agency, an organization that is part of a larger group, an agency of the United Nations. Aggression, an attack against a person or country, the violation of a country's borders. Ago, of time past, before now. Agree, to have the same belief as someone, to be willing to do something. Agriculture, farming. Aid, to help, to support, help, assistance. Aim, to point a gun at, a goal or purpose. Air, the mixture of gases around the earth, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, that we breathe. Air Force, a military organization using airplanes. Airplane, a vehicle with wings that flies. Airport, a place where airplanes take off and land. Album, a collection of recorded music. English learners, did you know that Maestro Sersea offers a monthly membership for building listening comprehension and communication skills in American English? The Silver Monthly membership helps American English learners improve their English comprehension, conversation skills, and pronunciation. It includes 3 to 4 one-hour audio-video webinars via Zoom with Maestro Sersea each month. Participants also can request and receive Zoom recordings for the webinars they missed or participated in for further practice. To learn more about the upcoming webinars we offer via Zoom, please visit our website, American English Webinars, at www.englishwebinars.com.
These my dance make it hurt.
Thank you for being part of this week's podcast with Maestro Sersea, where English learners worldwide learn American English. I will return with another educational podcast for American English learners in 3 or 4 days. Until then, feel free to visit my official website at www maestrosersea.com. That's www.maestrosersea.com. Thank you.